mine asked me this question the other day about how to acquire and retain uh, clients who pay a relatively larger amount of money. Well, to answer this question, I would like to go back to how we think about businesses in general. This question and its premise is something that I would actually disagree with. I understand where he is coming from. He is in the process of setting up his own freelancing business. So, this question is but natural. Uh, most freelance business owners will think in this direction. But actually, it is a lesser efficient method of thinking. The correct way to think, in my opinion, is like this: how to solve a problem that is big enough for the client. This is the correct way to think about it. How to solve a problem and increase the probability of success for the client. How to solve a big enough problem for the client. So it's about actually scanning for clients who have given importance to the problem that they want to be solved. Now, some problems are open-ended. For instance, education is an open-ended problem. So what do we mean by that? Well, we can always do more and always rearrange and reorganize the microstructure of the brain in order to help any particular individual attain better amounts of expertise, academically speaking, or expertise in a particular subject, etc. So for open-ended situations and circumstances like these, the way to serve the client is on a per unit output basis, like for example, per hour of service or per test that they submit, or let's say per hour of meetings or seminars or something like that that they are engaged in. So essentially, it is important to serve the client in an indefinitive, unbounded manner and let them choose for how much amount of time and how much service they would like to avail. Let them choose. Let the choice be theirs. So they themselves, via their decision making and choice, are going to essentially convey back to us that this is a larger problem for them, and they see that the solution is working, so they are willing to pump more fuel into the fire and see the solution like reach the desired end goal or end result that it wants to reach. So essentially speaking, I would rather like all my business associates and business executives to think like this: let's not try to get high value clients as such. Let's try to identify people who have a problem, give them the best possible human solution to that problem, and if the solution is not like really good, then let's work upon improving the solution. And after we have the best possible human solution, as good a human solution as can be created using the resources on this planet Earth, including the time of human beings, after we create that solution, let's offer that solution to them at some margin of profit. Since you are a business, you are not a charity, so you have to have some margin of profit in order to be able to expand, grow, and sustain yourself. And let's see whether they are liking and resonating with that solution or not. Since humanity lies on a demographic, since human beings lie actually on the Gaussian curve, it is very unlikely that, especially for an open-ended problem like education, which does not really have a conclusive end as such, which can always go on and on and on. So for an open-ended problem like education, it is very clearly understandable as to how much amount of fuel does the client want to pump into the fire, basically, in order to achieve as much as they want to achieve, or achieve as much as they can achieve. So this is the way to model service-oriented businesses, and especially open-ended businesses wherein there is no fixed finish line that once achieved, it is said that the service or the product like has done its job and the service is over. So we can always be better and better and better. So the way to think about these things is actually to let the client choose. And if the client deems that the problem is big enough and the solution that we are providing is working and worthy enough, then the client will choose to spend more money. So the way to think about it is create a very strong and sturdy solution and let the client who deems this problem to be big enough for themselves in their lives and the solution to be worthy enough, let them come and choose you. Let them synergize with your business. This is the way to go about it. As always, I would like to wish one and all light speed.